Hi, and welcome back. Eric here from Nadra. Touchscreens are very convenient when it comes to everyday life. However, there are certain situations when a disabled touchscreen just might come in handy. For example, when you switch the monitor to a source that doesn't require an enabled touchscreen. This will prevent you from touching the screen and unwantingly change some parameter in the background. Or when the monitor is powered off, then it might be important to disable the touchscreen for the same reason as mentioned earlier. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your touchscreen so that it suits your needs, whether it's a PCAT touchscreen or a resistive touchscreen. This video applies to both. First, make sure your monitor is connected to a computer that has our NCom app installed. Now, let's open up the NCom app. Click on the Open Port button, followed by a click on the Lookup button. Highlight the monitor you would like to adjust. Finally, click on the Read Stored Values from DC button. Your current setup will now appear in the app. On the bottom right, you can find the Miscellaneous Functions section. Here you'll find the tabs Touch Power Internal, Touch Internal External, and Power On. When opening the Touch Power Internal menu, 4 options will appear. On and Off will simply enable or disable the touchscreen. When the delayed option is selected, the touchscreen will only be enabled when the backlight of the monitor is active. This only applies if the Touch Internal, External tab is set to Internal. Below the Touch Power section, you'll find the Touch Internal, External app. With this tab, you can select whether the touchscreen receives its power internally or externally. When set to Internal, the touchscreen receives its power from the monitor itself. In combination with Touch Power set to Delayed, the touchscreen will only work when the backlight is active. When set to External, the touchscreen will receive its power from an external source. In combination with Touch Power set to Delayed, the touchscreen will still be enabled when the backlight isn't active. With the Power On tab, you can select with which sources or source the touchscreen will be enabled. After adjusting the monitor, make sure to hit the Write and Store Values to DC button to store the changes made. Upon request, we can also program the touchscreen so that entering a gesture will temporarily disable the touchscreen. This feature will, for instance, make it easy to clean the screen when desired. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and see you next time.